Does your company have a quality department? If so, you probably know that they are the ones tasked with carrying out the quality inspection process. This process usually involves the creation of many types of documents, such as balloon drawings, reports to be used during the inspection process, and any other deliverables needed with parts. The creation of these documents is often a very linear, time-consuming, and prone to error manual process that can take up to hours using platforms like Microsoft Excel and handwritten annotations. SOLIDWORKS Inspection software automates the manual and tedious process by leveraging existing 2D and 3D legacy data such as SOLIDWORKS files, PDFs, and TIFFs, or capture data using a digital measuring instrument. One major benefit is that you can create your inspection documents regardless of your existing CAD system, using either the standalone SOLIDWORKS Inspection application or the integrated SOLIDWORKS Inspection add-in. Let's visit how SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2019 makes it easier than ever to generate these first article inspection reports. When creating a new inspection project, you can now add custom properties from either the drawing or its associated model. Simply choose to add a new custom property, then choose from a list of predetermined property names stored in the project template. Next, selecting a new value displays all of the available custom properties on both the drawing and the model. Any number and combination of both drawing and model properties can be added to a project, enabling quality teams to leverage even more SOLIDWORKS design information. Inspection 2019 adds support for even more annotation types. You can now choose to extract and balloon whole table information as part of the project. Once all the annotations have been ballooned, the extracted characteristics are displayed in a new tabular layout, making it easy to view and manage all the information from the drawing. We also now have more options for managing the grouping of characteristics, giving you complete flexibility over the way in which annotations are ballooned. For example, using the ungroup option, this whole callout can be split into multiple items. Now each hole, size, and depth are identified as individual characteristics, each with their own balloon. It can be modified independently of one another. At any time, characteristics can be regrouped together, either with a single shared balloon or as a subset of the same item, giving you complete control over the way in which project information is displayed. With all the great enhancements in SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2019, you can now generate your first article inspection reports more efficiently than ever.